Accessible bathing solutions matter for homeowners who want safer daily routines, and a shower-to-bath conversion mobile project can deliver exactly that. A walk-in tub replacement, or bathtub installation can reduce strain, improve comfort, and support aging-in-place bathroom design without sacrificing style. For families in Mobile, Alabama, this kind of home bathroom upgrade often includes a custom bathroom design, bathroom fixture replacement, and a tub and shower combo when flexibility is the priority. Whether the goal is a family-friendly bath upgrade or luxury bathtub install, the right bathroom conversion services make the space more practical, more attractive, and better suited to everyday use. Mobile, Alabama shower-to-bath conversion projects often begin with a full assessment of the existing plumbing, tile, and layout. A professional shower-to-bathtub conversion mobile team can handle bathroom plumbing modification, shower removal and tub install mobile, and the detailed tub surround installation Mobile, Alabama homes require for a polished finish. Homeowners looking for bathroom remodeling Mobile, Alabama services often want a seamless result that matches the rest of the house, and that is where custom tub surround work, tile and tub surround installation, and acrylic tub installation become essential. The best local bathroom remodeler in Mobile, Alabama can turn an outdated shower into a modern bathing space with lasting value. Bathroom renovation services mobile homeowners choose should combine design, durability, and efficiency. A shower-to-tub remodel near Mobile, Alabama can include tub installation in Mobile, Alabama, bathtub replacement mobile, and residential bath remodeling Mobile, Alabama for a clean upgrade from start to finish. When a client wants a wet area conversion with minimal disruption, one-day bath conversion options may be available depending on the scope. Mobile area bathroom conversion experts can also recommend a bath remodel plan that works for smaller hall baths, guest baths, or master suites. With high-quality bath conversion services Mobile, Alabama, the result is a functional, attractive space built for long-term use. Custom bathtub remodeling Mobile, Alabama projects are a smart way to increase comfort and property appeal. A bathroom contractor in Mobile, Alabama can coordinate bathroom plumbing and tub install mobile services with bathroom fixture replacement, tile upgrades, and a custom tub surround that fits the room precisely. Many homeowners seeking a shower-to-bathtub conversion Mobile, Alabama want a more relaxing bath environment, and that means choosing materials and finishes that complement the home. From affordable bath conversions in Mobile, Alabama to premium full bathroom remodeling, each plan should support the homeowner's style, budget, and daily bathing needs with dependable craftsmanship. A bath conversion in Mobile should also be designed for future needs, especially when accessibility is a concern. Accessible bathroom remodeling Mobile, Alabama often includes walk-in tub installation Mobile, Alabama, aging-in-place bathroom design, and accessible bathing solutions that help reduce fall risks while improving independence. Bathroom conversion services in Mobile, Alabama may also include shower removal and tub install mobile for homeowners who want safer entry and exit without giving up a beautiful finish. For seniors and families alike, a well-planned bathtub installation or walk-in tub replacement can transform the bathroom into a more comfortable, functional, and secure space. Mobile, Alabama custom bath renovation projects can be tailored to nearly any home style, from historic properties to newer suburban builds. A full-service bathroom remodeling Mobile, Alabama provider can manage every step, including bath remodel design, bathroom renovation mobile, and tub and shower combo installation when space efficiency matters. For homeowners seeking a more upscale look, luxury bathtub install options and custom bathroom design features can create a spa-like atmosphere. Local expertise matters, especially when working with older plumbing or unique layouts, and a mobile shower conversion contractor with experience in bathroom remodeling Mobile, Alabama can keep the process smooth and organized. Tub replacement and tub installation projects are often the foundation of a stronger, more functional bathroom. Homeowners looking for a bathroom conversion can convert shower to bathtub for better bathing flexibility, especially in households with children, pets, or multi-generational living needs. A shower removal and tub install mobile project may also involve residential bath remodeling Mobile, Alabama work such as flooring repair, new wall finishes, and bathroom fixture replacement. When paired with a custom tub surround and professional tile and tub surround installation, the finished bathroom feels cohesive and updated rather than patched together. Bathroom remodeling in Mobile, Alabama is more valuable when the project is handled by experienced specialists who understand both design and function. A Mobile, Alabama bathroom upgrade specialist can recommend the best path for shower-to-tub conversion mobile, whether the homeowner wants an acrylic tub installation, a walk-in tub replacement, or a complete bathroom renovation services mobile package. The right team will also manage shower-to-bathtub conversion Mobile, Alabama details like plumbing changes, moisture protection, and trim work. For homeowners seeking affordable bath conversions in Mobile, Alabama, quality planning and skilled installation help keep the project efficient without cutting corners. Family-friendly bath upgrade plans often start with a practical shower-to-tub conversion mobile design that improves daily comfort for everyone in the home. A tub and shower combo can be ideal for busy households, while a full bathroom remodeling approach may better suit those wanting a complete style refresh. Mobile shower conversion contractor services can also include bathroom fixture replacement, tub surround installation Mobile, Alabama, and custom bathroom design elements that elevate the whole space. For anyone searching for professional shower-to-tub conversion mobile or shower-to-bath conversion mobile, the right local bathroom remodeler in Mobile, Alabama can deliver a durable, attractive, and highly functional result. Home bathroom upgrade projects in Mobile, Alabama often start with a shower-to-tub conversion that improves comfort, function, and resale value. A tub and shower combo, bathtub installation, or shower-to-bathtub conversion Mobile, Alabama can transform an outdated space into a more practical bathing area for families, guests, and growing households. With full bathroom remodeling, custom bathroom design, and bathroom fixture replacement, homeowners get a cleaner, more versatile layout that supports daily use and long-term value in Mobile, Alabama. Accessible bathing solutions are a major reason homeowners choose bath remodel services in Mobile, Alabama. Aging-in-place bathroom design, walk-in tub replacement, and walk-in tub installation Mobile, Alabama help create safer access for seniors and anyone with mobility concerns. A professional shower-to-tub conversion mobile can also include a low-threshold wet area conversion, bathroom plumbing modification, and a custom tub surround to improve safety, comfort, and ease of use. These bathroom conversion services are ideal for residential bath remodeling Mobile, Alabama projects. Bathroom renovation services mobile often include tub installation, bathtub installation, acrylic tub installation, and bathroom plumbing and tub install mobile for a seamless finish. From tile and tub surround installation to tub surround installation Mobile, Alabama, every detail matters in a luxury bathtub install or family-friendly bath upgrade. Homeowners searching for custom bathtub remodeling Mobile, Alabama or affordable bath conversions in Mobile, Alabama can benefit from a local bathroom remodeler in Mobile, Al that understands layout, drainage, and style needs. Mobile, Alabama shower-to-bath conversion projects are popular for families wanting a more flexible bath setup. Shower removal and tub install mobile can create a better bathing solution for children, pets, and everyday routines, while a tub and shower combo adds convenience without sacrificing space. Whether the goal is a shower-to-bathtub conversion Mobile, Alabama or a mobile tub and shower conversion, the result is a more functional bathroom renovation tailored to the home and lifestyle. Many homeowners also request a one-day bath conversion for faster results. A bathroom contractor in Mobile, Alabama can manage every step of a professional shower-to-bath conversion mobile, from demolition to final fixture placement. Mobile, Alabama custom bath renovation services often include bathroom remodeling Mobile, Alabama, residential bath remodeling Mobile, Alabama, and high-quality bath conversion services Mobile, Alabama for dependable results. Whether the project is a tub replacement, bath remodel, or full-service bathroom remodeling Mobile, Alabama, choosing mobile area bathroom conversion experts helps ensure a polished finish and lasting performance. Shower Removal and Tub Install Mobile is a smart solution for homeowners looking for a shower-to-tub conversion that adds comfort and convenience. A mobile shower conversion contractor can deliver bathroom renovation services, mobile, custom bathroom design, and bathroom fixture replacement that fit both style and budget. From professional shower-to-tub conversion mobile to bathroom remodeling, Mobile, Alabama, the right team provides accessible bathroom remodeling, Mobile, Alabama, bath remodeling expertise, and reliable tub installation in Mobile, Alabama for lasting value.